The only limits in life are the ones you make. Wayne Dyer. In the depths of your being lies an incredible power, a power to shape your life, to manifest your desires, and to experience a level of joy and fulfillment you might have only dreamed of. This power isn't something you need to acquire or earn. It's already yours. It's your birthright, waiting to be awakened. Throughout history, mystics and sages have whispered about this truth. They've spoken of a hidden potential within us all, a connection to something far greater than ourselves. It's a concept that transcends religion and speaks to the very essence of who we are. Today, we're going to explore this incredible idea together. We'll uncover the secrets of your own inner divinity and how recognizing this truth can unlock a world of limitless possibilities. Get ready to discover a new way of seeing yourself, a new way of living your life, and a new way of experiencing the world around you. This is your time to step into your true power. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel lost, overwhelmed, and separate from something larger than ourselves. We chase after external validation, seeking happiness in fleeting moments of success or material possessions. Yet, a nagging emptiness often remains, a persistent whisper that something is missing. This feeling of disconnection can manifest in many ways. It might be a sense of powerlessness, as if life is happening to you rather than for you. It might be a constant striving for something just out of reach, a never-ending pursuit of a happiness that always seems to be around the corner. It might be a deep-seated belief that you are not enough, that you are somehow flawed or lacking in some fundamental way. This disconnection isn't just an emotional state. It can have a profound impact on your entire life. It can lead to chronic stress and anxiety, as you struggle to control a world that feels chaotic and unpredictable. It can create a sense of frustration and dissatisfaction as you compare yourself to others and find yourself wanting. It can even manifest physically in the form of fatigue, illness, or chronic pain. But what if this feeling of disconnection wasn't the whole truth? What if there was another way of seeing yourself and the world around you? What if the key to unlocking your full potential was already within you, waiting to be discovered? It's time to question the beliefs that have held you back. It's time to challenge the notion that you are separate, limited, or powerless. It's time to explore a new perspective, one that reveals your inherent worth, your infinite potential, and your undeniable connection to the universe. This isn't about denying the challenges of life or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about recognizing that there is a deeper truth beneath the surface, a truth that can transform your experience of the world and empower you to create a life that truly fulfills you. This is about awakening to your own divinity, to the spark of the divine that resides within you. It's about discovering that you are not a separate entity, but rather an integral part of a vast and interconnected whole. It's about realizing that you are not a victim of circumstance, but a co-creator of your reality. This shift in perspective can be liberating, exhilarating, and even a little bit scary. It challenges everything you thought you knew about yourself and the world, but it also opens the door to a new level of freedom, joy, and abundance. What if the answer to this disconnection wasn't found in external pursuits, but within the very essence of who you are? What if the power to transform your life lay not in what you do or have, but in what you already are? There's a radical yet profoundly simple idea that has echoed through the ages. We are all expressions of the divine. This isn't about adhering to a specific religion or dogma. It's about recognizing the spark of something greater within you, a connection to a universal source of wisdom, love, and power. When you begin to see yourself as an extension of the divine, your entire perspective shifts. Limitations dissolve, and possibilities expand. The struggles you face become opportunities for growth, and the challenges you encounter become stepping stones on your path. This recognition isn't about ego or self-aggrandizement. It's about humility, about understanding that you are a part of something far greater than yourself. It's about tapping into a source of infinite wisdom and strength that can guide you through every aspect of your life. This idea of interconnectedness and the power of consciousness isn't just a philosophical concept. It's supported by cutting-edge scientific discoveries. Quantum physics, the study of the building blocks of the universe, reveals a world that is far more mysterious and interconnected than we ever imagined. At the quantum level, particles exist in a state of potentiality, their behavior influenced by the observer. This suggests that our consciousness plays a role in shaping reality, that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to influence the world around us. While the full implications of quantum physics are still being explored, it offers a tantalizing glimpse into the interconnected nature of all things. It suggests that we are not separate individuals, but rather interconnected threads in the vast tapestry of existence. This scientific perspective provides a fascinating framework for understanding the concept of our own divinity. It suggests that we are not just passive observers of the world, but active participants in its creation. It invites us to explore the power of our own consciousness and to recognize the profound impact we can have on our lives and the world around us. Recognizing your inherent divinity isn't about puffing yourself up or claiming superiority over others. It's quite the opposite. It's a humbling realization that you are a part of something far grander than your individual self. It's about acknowledging the immense potential that lies dormant within you, waiting to be awakened. This shift in perspective is not about ego. It's about empowerment. It's about understanding that you are not limited by your past, your circumstances, or your perceived flaws. It's about seeing yourself as a co-creator of your reality, with the ability to shape your life in alignment with your deepest desires. When you step into this awareness, you tap into a wellspring of creativity, resilience, and compassion. You discover a newfound sense of purpose and meaning, a clarity about your path and your passions. You begin to see challenges as opportunities for growth, setbacks as lessons to be learned, and adversity as a catalyst for transformation. This shift isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about becoming more fully who you are. It's about shedding the layers of doubt, fear, and insecurity that have held you back. It's about stepping into your authenticity, your power, and your light. Awakening to your divine nature is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of self-discovery, of shedding old beliefs and accepting new possibilities. But it doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. There are simple, practical techniques you can incorporate into your daily life to cultivate this awareness. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, can help you connect with the stillness and peace within. Meditation, the practice of focusing your mind and quieting your thoughts, can open you up to deeper levels of awareness and insight. Visualization, the practice of creating a mental picture of your desired reality, can help you manifest your dreams into reality. And affirmations, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, can reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your belief in your own divine potential. These are just a few examples of the many tools and techniques available to you. The key is to find what resonates with you, what feels authentic and aligned with your values. Experiment, explore, and allow yourself to be guided by your intuition. Recall that this is a journey of self-discovery. There is no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to take that first step towards awakening to the incredible power that lies within you. As you begin to see yourself as an expression of the divine, you'll notice a ripple effect of positive change throughout your life. Your relationships will deepen as you approach them with greater compassion, understanding, and authenticity. You'll attract people who are aligned with your values and who support your growth. In your career, you'll find new levels of creativity and innovation. You'll tap into a wellspring of inspiration and discover solutions that previously seemed impossible. You'll attract opportunities that align with your purpose and passion, and you'll find fulfillment in work that truly matters to you. Your health and well-being will flourish as you prioritize self-care and make choices that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. You'll release patterns of stress and anxiety, and you'll cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience. You'll discover a newfound energy and vitality, and you'll experience the joy of living in harmony with your true nature. But the benefits of this shift extend far beyond personal gain. As you awaken to your own divinity, you become a beacon of light for others. You inspire those around you to step into their own power, to live more authentically, and to create a world that is more loving, compassionate, and just. This is the power of recognizing your inherent divinity. It's not just about personal transformation. It's about contributing to a collective awakening. It's about realizing that when you heal yourself, you heal the world. This is just the beginning of your journey. The path to realizing your inherent divinity is a deeply personal one, filled with its own unique twists and turns. There are countless resources available to guide you on this path, from ancient wisdom traditions to modern scientific discoveries. Take the time to explore these resources and find what resonates with you. Seek out practices that nourish your soul and ignite your passion. Experiment with different techniques and discover what works best for you. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to be guided by your inner wisdom. This isn't about following a prescribed path or adhering to someone else's beliefs. It's about discovering your own truth, your own connection to the divine. It's about finding your unique way of expressing your inherent divinity in the world. Recall that this is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering the hidden depths of your being. It's a process of awakening to your true potential and living a life that is aligned with your highest purpose. So take that first step. Explore, experiment, and allow yourself to be transformed by the power of this profound truth. The possibilities are limitless. The time has come for you to awaken to the incredible potential that resides within. Step into your power, claim your divinity, and create a life that reflects the limitless possibilities that are your birthright. The world is waiting for you to shine your light. So go forth and live a life that is bold, authentic, and aligned with your deepest purpose. Create a life that fills you with joy, abundance, and meaning. And remind yourself that this is not just for you. When you awaken to your own divinity, you inspire others to do the same. You become a catalyst for positive change, a beacon of hope in a world that desperately needs your light. So let your light shine, let your love flow, let your creativity soar. The world is yours to create. If this message resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content.